Hey folks, it is raining, and it is Sunday, Sunday the 3rd, 2007, of course, and it is raining.
Seldom sight here.
Huh?
Seldom sight here.
Yeah, it's very seldom sight. Very seldom seen here. Wow.
Roll up the windows.
I'm loving it. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Damn. Pulling down a big old fat Delta truck.
You can see the rain better when I focus on somebody rather than like the ground or something.
Those neighbors will know that sun's coming out of the rain.
It's still hot as hell though.
The mountain is saying 106. Close the door, please, Amy.
Close the door, baby. See, it picks it up better.
Looks like we're moving in for rain for a while.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, somebody got their mattress on top of the car.
Oh, man. Oh.
That's gotta suck.
Check this shit out. They're just standing in the rain.
Oh, it hasn't rained like this since 2005. I just got rain in my eye.
Nothing like what's your name girl.
Pat,
What?
that's sick.
I would never get in the rain like that with shorts on and stuff.
Man, the gutters are already full.
Well, I guess they meant it when they said we're going to have a flash flood. When they said flash flood warning.
Hey, wind.
My guess is we're not going to Walmart now.
Not right this minute.
No.
Later.
This is supposed to last.
Not now. Later.
Later. This is supposed to last
Right now.
till 7. We needed this desperately.
Probably not. Sadly.
But then now it's going to rain like this on a school day.
You'll go in the rain to the school bus and get on the bus.
Yep.
First time.
I hear Cheyenne.
Here come the little girls again.
Say hi to YouTube. Man. Jamie, go stick your foot in the gutter out there.
No, that's disgusting.
It's just water.
That's quite a current.
Yeah.
I like that rain. That was awesome.
I loved it.